we thought the time was right, that over the years we have been doing many things from Goa Pro League to Voice of Goa to various music events that take place in Goa. But I think this particular association for us was really about giving back to Goans the love that they have given to us as a brand. What I really admire about Coach Sergio is his passion for the game, his ability to hunt talent from a very young age, from the grassroots levels. And I think his experience in the Spanish league with Barcelona, this came through quite strongly. Interesting to see how FC Goa is focusing so much on local talent, homegrown talent, talent from Goa. And over the years, I'm pretty confident that this association will help us touch grassroots levels, not just at FC Goa's level, but also at at the local level where football is really played, loved and enjoyed every afternoon by the young boys. We've taken principal sponsorship at the same place, the back of the jersey, for FC Goa as well as for BFC, Bangalore Football Club. Those are the two teams that we have partnered with this year.
Que tenemos con este sponsor, que no es una colaboración solo por resultados, sino que es una colaboración también a largo plazo, y yo creo que esto es muy positivo para todos.
It is very difficult in this day and age to come across long-term projects, particularly in the world of football where results mean everything. So on behalf of the club, I would like to thank Fisher for coming on board and following us in our vision for a long-term project for the club that we have put in place as per the vision of the club. And I thank them for coming on board and doing this with us hand in hand.